Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make the builder base double cannon. This unique defense is a cornerstone of your builder base strategy, offering a powerful punch against ground attackers. It unleashes a quick volley of 4 shots, making it highly effective. While its range is somewhat limited, its damage per second is impressive, making it a formidable obstacle for many enemy troops. You will unlock this essential defense early in your builder base journey. To get your hands on a double cannon, simply upgrade your builder hall to level 2. Once there, you will need to spend some gold to construct it, ensuring your master builder is available. Interestingly, you can also transform a regular cannon in your home village into a double cannon. This gear-up option becomes available when your home village cannon is at least level 7 and your builder base double cannon has reached level 4. Upgrading your double cannon is key to strengthening your builder base defenses. Each level boosts its damage per second and hit points, making it tougher for attackers to destroy. You will notice visual changes as it progresses through its 9 upgrade levels, becoming more imposing. Remember, these upgrades require substantial amounts of gold and time, so plan your resource management carefully to maximize its potential. Strategic placement of your double cannon is vital for effective defense. Place them where they can quickly eliminate ground threats such as boxer giants or raged barbarians. While powerful, they have a critical weakness. They cannot attack air units. This makes them susceptible to baby dragons or other flying troops. To compensate, always pair your double cannons with defenses that deal splash damage or target air, creating a balanced and resilient defense.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.